Today what we're going to be doing is opening up a Kabocha squash. Today what we're doing is we're going to cook these artichokes, and you see how these artichokes have some burnt leaves. I'll be cutting those. What I'm going to show you is how to cook these artichokes in the Instant Pot.
Welcome to Healthy Vegan Living!
Okay, so what I did is I took a long bladed serrated knife and I'm going to cut it in half. Okay. And what happened is I was still busy, so they've been sitting in the water for about 6 hours. You can tell the water's green, and we're going to cook these little artichokes. So the first thing we do is we cut the stems. We're going to get a little cutting mat here, and we're going to see what I'm going to do. I'm going to do it on this little one here. I'm going to physically cut it all the way to the very bottom. And then these dried up leaves, when you have an artichoke and the stem is like an inch thick, then you can really get a lot of, you can use it. It's like an extension of the heart. I don't think this is really going to hurt, but I didn't think it would really hurt anything anyway. Instead of only cooking artichokes, we're going to add some squash to it. This is Kabocha squash. It's absolutely delicious, and it's one of the squashes that Kirk from Mad Scientist Hut really loves. It has a beautiful taste to it, a sweet, almost like pumpkin taste. It's a little starchy, but it's a very good squash. I think everybody should have this at least a couple times this summer. Alright, so in the last video I showed you how I removed the seeds from it. In this video, I am just laying this on top of these little artichokes. This is frozen kumquats. What's special about these kumquats is they're little rounds used in, say, a drink. This is all I'm putting on top of so we're just going to do that to it. 6 to 7 minutes, maybe 9 minutes would be perfect for both of them. Alright, so next thing we do is we put the lid on.
If you like this channel, please subscribe. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.